The Subaru Rally team's history in the Acropolis Rally, featuring drivers Peter Solberg, Chris Atkinson and Mads Ostberg, is a compelling narrative of talent, dedication and the pursuit of success in one of the most grueling events in the World Rally Championship, WRC. The Subaru Rally team's legacy in the Acropolis Rally and the WRC is a testament to the team's dedication and the talent of drivers. Their performances in Greece and on the global stage helped solidify Subaru's reputation as a formidable force in rallying and motorsport.